It's that time again, you guys. Yes, another Dollar Tree haul. Welcome back. Yes, Dollar Tree hauls are my favorite too. Dollar Tree makeup videos, reviews, all that good jazz are my favorites as well. So, I went to the Dollar Tree and I found a lot of different things. Thought I would share them. I didn't find too many new things, but I still thought that I would share everything that I found. The first one is actually this tote that you're looking at. And yes, just a tote. But isn't it so adorable? It's got a ton of like junk food stuff on there. Stars, planets, just different stuff like that. It's totally cute. Alright, I have a bunch of course, boring house stuff that I had to restock on. One thing that I did find that I hadn't seen before, and this is an insect repellent, and yeah, so the bottle fills about half full, and they all felt like that, so whatever. I just wanted to kind of try it because we'll go out in the evening, and although the mosquitoes really don't bother me, John, or Connor very often, it is usually Connor that gets the bite. So I hear that they don't like negative type blood, and I have A negative, so I mean, literally I could be around people that get bit all the time and I hardly get, like, ever, like one time a year. I'm not even kidding you guys. But yeah, I found this, thought we'd try it for Connor. For the house, I picked up 180 count straws, which is a crazy amount of straws. I hope they're decent. I usually get the straws at Walmart, but you know, pay twice the price for them for half of them. Half of what you get for $1. I did get the Blue and Bleach Home Store toilet cleaner. I like this. They finally had the laundry pods in stock again, so I grabbed some of those. I got a drawstring, fresh scent, good scent, tall kitchen bags, 2 bath tissues, and this is something new as well, and this is the LA's Totally Awesome Bang Bathroom and Shower Cleaner. I did try this yesterday in the tub because I went yesterday, and I needed to clean the bathroom anyway, so I did try it out. It does work. If you want a full lengthy review about all the deets on that, I will probably do a video anyways. You get 1 quart for $1. I did pick up the Dawn Cherry Blossom dish soap, and usually I get the blueberry and almond, but I really wanted to try this one. I got a pair of Brillo gloves. First time I'd seen these at the Dollar Tree, mine anyways, and so I picked up the pink pair. They had yellow and red, and I don't know, I thought it was fitting to pick the pink up. I also picked up 1 package of Sunbeam AA batteries. I did get another Assured brand instant hand sanitizer. I always keep one in the bathroom and I always keep one in the kitchen, and it was time to get a new one for the bathroom to try out and review for you guys because I'm loving the other Daily Defense shampoo that I have. I got the macadamia oil shampoo and conditioner from Daily Defense to try out, and it smells awesome. These are 16 fluid ounces, and also that you get 10 fluid ounces of hand sanitizer. It's a great deal for $1, and this stuff works. That's what it's supposed to. And I can't wait to try the argan oil one. I have not been able to get my hands on the shampoo. I always see the conditioner, but never the shampoo. Connor did need another body wash, so I grabbed him this one at the Dollar Tree. It's White Rain and Pure Splash. It's like a light smell. It's tear-free, so that's a plus. And this is gentle on sensitive skin. It's dye-free and paraben-free, hypoallergenic. Can't beat that for $1. That was 12 fluid ounces. I picked up some duct tape that we needed. I actually picked up this purple one, and then I got this one from the Tape It brand, which is significantly bigger than the Dollar Tree one. So that's kind of cool. And that one is blue, so yeah, we'll see. Just need it for house project stuff, so we'll see. In the medicine aisle, I picked up some Family Care eye drops, which are a name brand. I believe they had advanced and the regular formula, and I got the advanced one. And then I did pick up a box of laxatives from the Assured brand. You get 25 in here. And I mentioned in the Walmart haul that John had recently been diagnosed with diverticulitis, and it's very infected, very inflamed. If you don't know what that is, it is where your large intestine forms these pockets or kind of holes, and things that you eat and things like that can get stuck in them. So you have to change your diet, and you have to start intaking a ton of fiber, easing your body into it. But you can't have like seeds hardly anymore, oats, and like anything with like holes, so like popcorns, peanuts, all that stuff. Like, so life changing, okay? And it's something that never goes away. So please pray for my husband. And his is very infected, so he's on a 2-week supply of antibiotics that are 2 different ones and very strong, and they alternate the medications. So yeah, and sometimes when you have diverticulitis, you need a little help. So I got those for him. And then I have the Assured brand razors. So I got myself a pack of the 5-blade razors with the 3 count. I love these. And then I got John the 5 count, the 3 blades, the triples. So yes, that's for the house stuff. I did find some cute items that I particularly was excited for. I picked up another candle. This is in Bahama Breeze, and it's a soy blend scented candle. I already have 2 of these in different colors, but oh my goodness, look how beautiful this one is. I'm definitely going to repurpose this jar, maybe for like to hold something on my makeup table, bobby pins or something. This is adorable. So cute. I love that one. It's my favorite from this line so far. I found 2 Wet n Wild nail polishes. Actually, there were several in this line here, but these are the 2 I was interested in. I did see that Opal Hazlitt did a video using these stamping, and it was like a year or so old, but I did see that video recently. So I picked up Red, and then Putting on Airs, which is the blue one. And I am so excited to try these stamping. I can't wait. And then I picked up one of these. They had them in all kinds of different ones, but I was so wanting and hoping to find the lemonade one. That's the only one I was interested in, the only one I was looking for. And they had 1 left, ladies. So I got, it's a mini journal, which is the lemonade glass. And then the lemon and the lime are sticky notes. How adorable for $1. Yeah. Can't beat it. Once again, I just love the Dollar Tree. And then, last but not least, I did save some of my favorite finds to share with you guys, even though these were my favorites. These were favorites for me. But I found some Christmas gifts and some gifts or like items to put back in like the summer bag that I was telling you guys about before. Yeah. So I'm going to share those now. Well, I grabbed this Dragon Sun Catcher paint set for Connor to put back for summer activity. And I think he'll really enjoy the dragon. They had like some girly kind of flower stuff and things like that. And although I think he would have probably enjoyed those as well because he's only 4 and that stuff doesn't matter to him yet. And yes, so the dragon, I think he'll sell it. Plus this one is a lot bigger than the others they had to offer or to choose from. And then I found some Crayola stuff. Finally, you guys, finally. So I picked up the Skylanders Color Alive coloring book. So these come with Crayola crayons, and you get 16 unique virtual experiences. You can color, scan, and interact. He's going to love this. And yes. So I picked him up 1 of those. I did grab 2 of the Crayola Avengers Color Alive 2.0, and same thing, color, scan, interact. You get 7 crayons and 16 interactive coloring pages. Same kind of with the other one, but these are just boxes. These are an awesome find for $1. Crayola, you guys. Finally, I found something really awesome for the boys. Also, one of these are going to be for Connor, and the other one is going to be put back for a gift. I don't know if it's going to be a birthday gift, Christmas gift, that kind of thing. But I am so excited that I found this stuff and could stock up while I found it. This I was totally excited about. Everybody was hauling these, and I thought, yeah, ours is either going to not get them, or they're going to sell it so quickly that I'm not going to be able to get my hands on any of these. But I got my hands on several. These are for ages 3+. You get 14 posters in here. You get 5 markers for this entire set, and tell me this is not a great deal for $1. This is a Disney product. So I grabbed this Cars one. It was the only Cars one they had, but I grabbed this one for Connor because he does love cars. And you get 3 glitter posters, 5 velvet posters, 6 mini posters, and 5 markers. And that's what this set includes. And this is an absolute steal. These are perfect for gifts, you guys. So I did grab some additional ones for that purpose, either birthdays or Christmas. I mean, I want to start Christmas shopping early, and this is just the perfect starting point, honestly, was finding these. I got all of them except I think one. Yeah, so yeah, there was only 1 Cars, and then there was Mickey Mouse ones. And here's the Mickey Mouse sets. And these, once again, are Disney. These are Mickey and the Roadster Racers 3+. You get the same amount of products, and these sets are well worth over $1. We all know that. And so I picked up 3 of those. Like I said, I left 1 Mickey one, I think. But for gifts, you guys, I couldn't help myself. These also, for the summer bag or box I did, this is something that I could also throw in there. One for the boys to pick out and do together or something, and then keep the other 2 Mickey ones for gifts. So it doesn't matter. These are going to pay off in the end for $1. So once again, 3 glitter posters, 6 mini posters, 5 velvet posters, and 5 markers. And this is exactly what you get in the kit. And what kid's not going to love doing this stuff? Like, Connor's not the biggest colorer, but he enjoys using markers more than he does the crayons, is kind of what I was trying to get at. But he's going to love these sets nonetheless. But yeah, that's basically the haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls like this, reviews. If you've seen anything, especially in the video, that you'd like reviewed, let me know in the comments below. And yes, that's it. That's the haul. I was so happy to share it with you guys. And thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to check the description box for lots of additional Dollar Tree videos.